Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will try to learn about timers. How we can use the timer in Omron PLC CP1E model with latch and relay. Latch relay means how we can relay start with time yani. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my CX Programmer software version 9.5, and here we will start a new program. Create new program, and just you have to be give here time your name of program. For example, timer timer program name I will give, and here I will choose my model, which model I have. That's I am using CP1E model I am choosing, and just click OK, and this interface will be open. And after in next step we will start the ladder for timer control. First of all, we will choose our input, that's 0.0 number. I will choose just only type 0, and you can get your 0 number. So in next we will make one relay 100.0. for example, we will choose to latch, and next one more open contact we will take, that 100.0. because of this output we have to be make it latch. I will make little bigger to good visible after you. So and we will make the link upside, and here one more we will take the close contact of our any, we can one number we will choose x 0.1. so this is our latch control is now completed, and in next row we will take one timer. For example, here details also you can go, and this number we will give the 100.0 because of we need to run timer when our this relay on after our timer needs to be start, otherwise no need to be start. When our 100.0 will be start, after we choose a one timer you can choose it from here. It's very simple, and click it here and go to the details, and here you can go into the find instructions, go to the find instructions, and here all instructions you can be find this all. I will scroll and you can see, and here you can see this is the timer and counter. This timer and counter, this area you can see this is the timer. When you click it on this TIM, after you can find the details of this timer, 100 milliseconds timer, and this is the BCD type, and click it OK. When this interface will be open, after here you can give your timer number. For example, I choose T0. T0 is my timer number, and here I give the time. For example, I give the time for example 100. when I write, after I got the 10 milliseconds of this timer T0, and click it OK, and this timer will be placed. So next we will choose one open contact of the done bit of the this timer, because of we like to be show one bit on off. So T0 open contact we will choose of the timer, and next any output we can place. For example 100.2 I will choose, and click OK. And so almost our program is now completed. When you push the 0.0 button, after your Y0.0 will be latch. This is basically Y0.0, but this in Omron PLC this address starting from 100.0, 100.1, 100.2, 100.3. so this is very easy. So now our program is completed. Now we have to be compile this program. So this is also you can compile, and F7 also you can press after. your program will be compiled. So compilation is okay. It shows zero error, zero warning. So let's now we have to be download our program into the PLC. How can download? Just only this icon you can see, work online. Work online, when you click it on the work online, and this will be go into the downloading mode. So still it's not going to download mode, means your PLC is maybe not connected with your PC. So don't worry, you go to here in direct online mode. Here when you click, after this is asking for the current project has been changed. The changes will be lost if you not saved. He say where you like to be saved. So first we go to the save mode, file, and here we will make save as any name if you like to be give. I shall give the timer control, or well, timer control. So now our program is now saved. Here also you can see, and again we will click it on this icon and check our program. Failed to connect the PLC because the PLC type does not match. He says your PLC model number is different. So what we have to be do, go to the file, this PLC we have to be select. In compare program, no need to compare program, go just only go to the direct online, close the project and create new one. He says close this project and create new one. So no problem, we will click it OK, and no changes, and click connect, click on yes, and now it will be automatically searching this one online mode. As it will be completed, which program is inside the PLC, that will be backed up. So just keep patience and wait for some time. Now it's ready. Which program is already inside, that's now showing. Already we designed this program by Latch Unlatch. So we will download to now download this inside the PLC. This I will make this one little bigger because after visible to see. Now this is the transfer to PLC. These two icons you can see. This is for backup and this is for download, and transfer to the PLC and click OK and yes, and again yes, and your program will be download to the PLC. Now message came download successful. It's okay. Click OK and again yes. So now your program is ready in the PLC and it's run mode in running mode. So as I click on I0.0, it will be, you can see this is latched 100.0 and this time is also running. As this time will be completed, this T0 will be make it 100.0. 2 is now on, and as we give the signal at X0.1, after this system will be closed. It's very an easy procedure. See, again I will push this X0.0. Can see this is Y0 is on and timer is now started. As this time will be completed, this done bit will be start and your 100.2 output will be on. So hope guys you will be understand about this program. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.